Hello, this is Pat Kelly. Okay, in this problem, they just ask us to find the indefinite integral. Okay, so you can see overall it's just a sum inside, so you know the deal. The integral of a sum is the sum of the integrals. So I would start off by saying equals, and anti-differentiate my x squared, I just bump up a power and divide by that same number. Okay. But then I'll slow down only because this is really the new material then, is I now need to anti-differentiate this exponential expression. So what you should be studying, what you should make sure you're understanding is, just off to the side, the integral of something like a 2 raised to the u du equals, it spits itself right back out, but then you divide by the natural log of that base, okay? Plus c, but we'll tack that on at the end in our problem here, okay? All right, so I had that off to the side just so you can see that that's what's going on here, but there's just one real small kink, and that's that I don't have just u in the exponent or just a single variable alone. There's a minus x. Not a big deal at all. What I might do just up the side here is get you to think u substitution, but my u is just going to equal minus x. That's all. So you've hopefully done enough u substitutions that you know that that's not going to complicate things other than the factor of a minus sign. Okay, so now let's get to it. Now I'm trying to anti-differentiate this thing that I've circled. As I mentioned over there, it spits itself right back out, 2 raised to the minus x, multiply by that factor of minus 1, which only came into play because of my u substitution. And then I also have that division by the natural log of whatever base I have, which for me was 2. Okay? Now I'll tack on my plus c, and I think that's pretty good. But I might push it just one more step to clean it up. That always looks a little bit sloppy with the minus 1 factor in parentheses there. So I'll make this subtraction. And while I'm at it, I think I'll take that negative x exponent and shove it downstairs. It just might look a little bit neater. This equals x cubed over 3 still. Subtract, and all I will have up top is a 1 divided by 2 raised to the positive x, natural log of 2 plus c. That should do it for that one. Now you should be able to do some more on your own. Okay?